Lots of questions come bubbling up for people when they think about potentially homeschooling their child. Hi, my name is Trisha Dunn, home education specialist and educator. Today, I will talk about 3 common questions that I hear on a regular basis. The first question: I'm not a teacher. How can I be qualified to teach my child? I will answer this question with a question. Who knows their child better than the parents? And I know you might be thinking, yeah, but I'm not a teacher and don't know how to teach. What qualifies you to teach your child at home is the commitment you have to provide quality education. I don't know the specific reason you're considering homeschooling, but I do know something isn't working as well as you'd like in the current situation you're in with your child's schooling. If you and your child is committed to home education, there are all sorts of options for how your school will work. 1, you could teach if you're comfortable with it. 2, you can make sure you have a homeschool curriculum that's not just a boxed up and sent to you, but designed for a classroom curriculum. 3, you can outsource. There are plenty of online programs for your child to be in a virtual classroom. There's also co-op style option where your child goes 1 to 2 times a week to a building with other homeschoolers and learn, then you oversee their homework. Or you can look into a one-on-one experience for ultimate customization, either online or in-home or at the location of your choice, like a library. And this is where I come in. I have dual degrees in education for grades K through 12. I offer weekly support where I do the teaching and you would do the supervising. You would be still totally in control of your homeschool, but the core subject or subjects you want to outsource would be taught by me. 2, how do I know my child will be on track with his or her peers? And this is a valid question and one most homeschooling parents have, even veteran teachers like myself of 18 years. Every year is different, and what worked last year may not work so much this year. You might have to tweak it a little. The biggest tip I can offer is to find a good curriculum that is designed for homeschool and meets your state's requirements. Most of the scope and sequence to keep your child on track will already be done for you. But here's the biggest thing to keep in mind. Avoid comparing at all costs. This will sabotage your homeschool success. One of the benefits of homeschooling is to follow the student's lead, which may mean your child will temporarily be behind as they master a concept, or they could be accelerated. If you lay a solid academic foundation and follow your child's abilities along with the curriculum you choose, your child will most likely not only be on grade level, but probably be ahead in most areas. Calling on an expert for regular checks and making sure you and your students are progressing will also keep you on track. The third most common question that I have is, how will I have time to do everything if I'm homeschooling? So most of us think of school as an all-day event. After all, our kids get on the bus sometimes when it's still dark in the morning and don't return until 3 or 4, 5 o'clock. And this isn't even including the extracurricular activities. So it is definitely a concern for new homeschoolers to think about, how the heck will I get my regular responsibilities done? The answer is twofold. First, because you're not traveling or teaching a class size of 30 plus, you will find that a lot of where the time goes for traditional school is in the waiting or moving parts of the school, not so much the academics. It will surprise most new homeschool families to hear that the average homeschool student spends a daily amount of 2 to 4.5 hours of academics, depending on the grade. And the second part of this answer is that flexibility is a huge bonus to homeschooling. You can set your school schedule around your activities. In most states, your homeschool does not need to follow traditional school hours or even days, as long as it works for your family and your student is meeting the requirements outlined by the state you live in. And one final point about flexibility. You will be surprised at how much of what you need to do is actually school related. As a homeschool specialist, I help ease your mind, whether you're just starting out or you've been homeschooling for years. I help high school families make sure they have all they need to meet state requirements and elementary age students to stay on track. I offer organization to support, quarterly support for checkups on progress, and weekly support so you can make sure the academics are covered for your child to be a success. Do you have more questions? Let's set up a time to talk.